Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to update Google Maps. So you have to just simply go to find and Play Store on your Android device. So when you have find and open the Play Store, and when it's open you have to go to the top right corner on the profile icon and click to manage app and devices. So you have to click updates, checking for updates and which updates are available. So you have to in these find to Google Maps, so you have to click to update on Google Maps. So it will be update on the top, you have to click, and there is updating new features and fix the bugs, error and speed up. So it will be downloading updated. So when it's 100 it will be complete. So when it's complete you have to open it. So it will be installing and you have to open it. So you see your Google Maps will be working with very speed. This is how to update Google Map. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.